Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm somewhere in Arizona, and today I want to show you something really beautiful. Check it out. I gotta say that Arizona is a really wonderful state because you can have like a Red Rock Canyon, and within an hour drive you can have this with some snow. It's incredible. So guys, another interesting point. This is Arizona desert, and for a New Yorker who lives in the city with parks and trees, this place looks completely insane. But to be honest, I came in here just to take a look at this incredible place, and also I found out that they got a meteor crater not that far from here. So we're gonna go and check it out, but I gotta say that it is goddamn windy in here, so I'll do my best, and I hope, you know, there is a sound and you can hear me, but if you're not, well, I'll put an extra sound. Anyways, let's go see that meteor crater. Let's check it out. So guys, I made it all the way to Sedona, and now I'm around Red Rock Park, and you can see from this perspective all these beautiful red rock formations in here. I would call them Red Rock Mountains. Well, actually from this point you can see a lot of cool and very famous red rocks. First of all, I'll show you the Cathedral Rock. One second. That way, this is the Cathedral Rock, and I'm gonna have a really beautiful drone video about this particular place. And if you're gonna turn this way, this one is a Bell Rock and this one is a Courthouse Rock, and I have no idea what they call this huge red rock, but I'm pretty sure it got its own name. But yeah, all these legendary red rock formations are located right here around a town called Sedona, and I gotta tell you, this is really beautiful place, guys. So if you're planning some sort of vacation or trip to Arizona, don't forget to visit this town called Sedona. It's really nice. I mean, honestly, it's worth it. And right now the weather is getting a little bit rainy, but it's not cold. It's actually very nice for hiking. And today I'll try to make it all the way to Grand Canyon. I don't know if it's gonna be windy there, if it's gonna be rainy there. I don't know. I want to make a drone video, but again, I don't dictate the weather. The weather dictates what I do. And right now it's a little bit drizzling. Rain is happening right now here. But well, Grand Canyon, I think about 2 hours drive from here, so maybe it's all different weather up there, God knows. But yeah, this place is definitely worth of visiting, and if you guys planning to come to Arizona, come here, see it for yourself. It's really gorgeous views, beautiful atmosphere. It's just amazing. It's very unique place on earth. I mean, I've been to many different countries, and I've never seen such red rocks, honestly. It's really cool in here. Alright guys, here's another place in Arizona. It's also around Sedona, known as Slide Rock State Park. It's a pretty beautiful place, and I want you to see it. Let's check it out. Look at this beauty. Incredible, right? Yeah. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. And another awesome thing about this park, actually during summertime they let you swim in here. So it's not just, you know, you come in here and enjoying the beautiful nature, you can actually swim in this beauty. Amazing, right? Well guys, I am on my way to Grand Canyon right now, and the weather changed a little bit. Now it's snowing, and I'm in Snowland. Check it out.
You know, the selfies are there.
Well guys, here's the Grand Canyon. Oh my gosh. This is the most incredible epic fail I've ever recorded on a video. Honestly. This whole entire trip I planned just to come in here and you know, take a nice video, make a drone video and etc. But yeah, as you can see, it's not gonna happen today, and I guess next time. Yeah, damn. I mean, I honestly, personally, I can't even imagine what is this. Like, all I see is this clouds and fog, and that's it. Look at this. This is just like, ugh. Yeah. Believe it or not, this is Grand Canyon, okay? I mean, right now you have to believe me, honestly. Like, somewhere down there, like, it's all nice and beautiful, but I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's a beautiful day. I mean, even though it's snowing and it's you know, foggy and all that stuff, but honestly it's not cold, and it's not even windy in here. It's a perfect day. If it would be a sunny day, it would be a nice day to do a drone video, but next time. So guys, this is the end of my trip. As you can see, I can't really show you the Grand Canyon because it's too foggy and too cloudy. But I gotta tell you that I'm actually planning to go back there because, well, I wanted to see the Grand Canyon and I actually made it there, but I didn't see it. So that doesn't sound good. So I'm planning for August or September 2021, and I hope it's going to be a different story. But for now, Please like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you later, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.